Good morning. How we doing? How we doing? What is going on with my rotation thing? Yeah, things look different. I'll get to that in a sec. Let me figure this out real quick. Oh, it fixed itself. Nope. Sort of fixed itself. There we go. So I have three accounts. They're 50Ks. I have no idea how to use them or copy trade them just yet. This move, no, was that the move? Yeah, I'm on the 5 minute. Where was the move? Was it this one? I don't remember. Yeah, it was this one. So if we go down to the minute. Yeah, we ended the stream yesterday, and then I got caught in this down move and lost the rest of the drawdown that I had on the account. I had a line here. I have to learn how to draw lines on this. So I had a line here. It broke it. I tried to get the retest. As you can see, it tried and it did not give it to me, and then it just dumped. So, yeah. Or wait, that was that? Yeah, that was it. Or maybe it wasn't. That says this is Monday. It was oh, here it is. It was this move here. I was like, I know it was a dump. I just didn't know where it was. All right, well, the market's open. Well, I'm not going to trade the market open today, obviously. But I might in the future. I need to, what is this? Alt H. Let's see if I can get used to doing that. I had a line there. Came down. I remember in the moment it tried to retest in this candle, but didn't. I started adding on the way down and just got absolutely demolished. So, all right. Let's see. This should be live. This is on delay. All right, so I have a lot to figure out. I didn't really, yeah, well, I was copy trading them, so yeah. 60-minute chart for better levels. Oh, I was looking at the hourly and stuff for most of my levels. So right now I'm 1 trade of 8. I'm not trading in delay. I do have to figure out how to get this on not delay though. So I'm still with my funded futures as of right now. I'm back to the 50K accounts. I did buy 3 of them with the intentions of still copy trading them, but I don't know why this isn't real-time data. I also would like to get rid of this crosshair, I think. I haven't used TradingView like to trade ever, so we'll be learning this together a little bit. And I'm only doing this until we get the DX feedback for Quantower, by the way. This is not like a permanent change. I actually thought about just trading with Apex again until then, but they haven't. I'm waiting for the. I wasn't gonna give in to the whole 90% off sale. I actually talked to my guy, and I might be able. I don't even want to say that out loud because I don't want to start a. I don't want to start anything. Search for US 100. I mean, you can see it says I'm on TradeAvate. US 100 isn't coming up. Let's just search futures. NQ 100. Yeah, it's still settings. Streamer privilege is real. No, he said maybe. I was gonna say he said maybe when, and it might be for everybody, because like a lot of people are buying TradeAvate accounts right now because there's no Rhythmic or DX Feed accounts, which DX Feed is basically a way to still use Quantower. But that's the problem, is those accounts aren't up and working at the moment. So he was basically saying there might be the option to allow those accounts to like switch. I don't really know any other better way to explain it. Is there news today? Just out of curiosity, real quick before I start trying to completely figure this out. No, there is not. All right. Why are you on TradingView? I just described this. Weren't you just here? Once you get real-time data TradingView. Paid plan? That doesn't make sense. Look at Discord. Okay. Oh, you actually have to pay. You do have to pay. Oh. I'm gonna ask about that, and if that's the case, I might just wait until they change the DX feed. Because the whole point of this is to not have to pay anything extra. I thought that would have come along with the TradeAvate account. We can't see your piano. I don't have one at the moment. Here, I can scrunch it up for you. See, it's right here. I'm not hiding it. I was trying to make the screen as clean as possible while I figure all this stuff out. All right. Well, I don't know what the case is for this, but that kind of sucks because now I can't really see what I was looking at in real time. How is that? Is that just for futures or what? I feel like I've always seen the stocks and yeah, look, the stocks are in real time. How come? So the stocks, which I absolutely do not pay for anything on TradingView, they're in real time. But you're telling me that through an actual broker, aka Tradevate, I do not get the same privilege? It doesn't make any sense. Let's just CME, but if I don't click on Tradevate, show the markets you can place an order with Tradevate. NQ100. Yeah. Back to the futures. That's so not cool. So not cool. Good morning, Aya. I'm watching Methodical Man's chart to kind of see what's going on. I mean, I'm assuming if I placed a trade that the trade would still go through in real time. I don't even know how to place a trade. I see I can not. Now this says this is a non-tradable symbol. You can't trade the symbol CME via Tradevate. Then why does it say I can? Oh wait, what's this? A little upgrade. Press the button for DOM data centering. So confused at the moment. Tradevate. I would have done all this last night, but the data's delayed because I didn't pay for it. I didn't know you had to pay for it. What's up, Macadamian Nut? It's not going great. Blew all my accounts that I had left yesterday. I was showing the move that had happened on. It was this big flush yesterday. After the big move up, it was this guy here. I got in on the break of this candle and I blew the rest of my funds that I had before it bounced. And then of course it bounced, you know, just to make me look silly. And now I'm trying to figure out how to get off delayed data, which you cannot on TradingView. So I don't know what to do about that. Let alone, I don't even know how I would trade, even if I could, because I've never placed a trade on TradingView. So we're kind of in a learn mode at the moment. Yeah, same. You don't pay for it? All right, explain. How do you have real-time data on TradingView? Explain. Which prop firm are you using? I guess we'll knock that one out first, just to make sure. Aya to the rescue. My funded futures? All right, let's figure this out. I have hope now. Change the instrument? I did. I literally clicked on Tradevate and then the one that it offered. There was only one. There is no other one that I see. It's just the one that says CME. Did I activate TradingView and Tradevate in add-ons? I did. Well, I believe so. That's here. Let me show. Let's see. I have my accounts here, and it says Tradevate. I thought I did everything that I needed to do. You have to activate and add inside Tradeovate. In Tradeovate itself. So wait, is Tradeovate its own platform? Tradeovate. Login. Oh, see, I didn't know that. Do I have to use the same login from My Funded Futures when I log in? Sign the agreement? Okay, see, I didn't do any of this. Credentials from My Funded Futures, okay. Let's see, credentials, copy. Paste, copy, paste, login. Ah, look at that. Non-professional. Next. Sign. Close. Accept. All right. So I don't need to download the platform, right? Maybe I just have to refresh now, maybe. Web-based. Well, it just says access simulation now or download the platform. Let me go back. Oh, select a trading mode. All right, I'll just hit access. Just so that I can stay. Okay, here we go. Top right, those three lines will bring you to the settings. There you'll find add-ons, okay? Add-ons, I see it. Trading view. It says it's activated, price free, paid up to August 19th. Enable trading view to access your trading view accounts, both live and sim, to use in conjunction with Tradeovate's install. All right, so I think we're good to go there. So maybe I just have to reload this. Oh wait, do I have? Oh no, because I'm logged in. All right, so let's just switch, and then switch back. Oh well, that should have worked too, honestly, right? Yeah, it didn't work. Yeah, let me try refreshing. Um, 9:45. Hey, look at that. There we go. Aya to the rescue. Thank you, Aya. I appreciate that. What's up, Jag? All right, so now let's figure out how to trade. Let's figure out how to trade. Create new order. Okay. Okay, I think this is what we want. Now, the real question is there a way to copy trade on here as well? We'll have to figure that out later. Can I can't move that over anymore. I wonder... Let's just see what happens. Oh, God. Did you guys hear that? It was like auto-filled. All right. So we'll let this roll, I should say. Looking for this trend line break. That's kind of what I was looking at here. And my stop would have been down here. How do I put a stop in? Trade. Stop limit. Oh, and it went where I clicked. 1941. Nice. Okay. Okay. I think I want this to not be a market order though, or a limit order. I think I want that to be a market order. I can't. Okay, cancel. Yes. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. Can I drag off of this? No, that's reverse position. So let's right click here, trade, create new order. No, that's not what I want. Right click here, trade. How come it's not I want it, wait, no, let's X that out. Right click, okay, that's why. Okay, stop, yes. So there we go. Okay, so that's probably a market stop. All right. I think we're on to something. I don't like that this keeps popping up, but that's okay. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. So, yeah, this is TradingView. I am not planning on staying with TradingView, guys. I was just planning on using TradingView until we got to, until DXV came out. And My Funded Futures actually just posted something in their Discord last night talking about that they're almost there. It says, this was at 8 o'clock last night. We apologize for the delay of the launch of our new offering with DX. During final testing, we were provided a new integration requirement that necessitated a reconfiguration of the connections to DX on some of the platforms. Our beta tester team has assisted over the last week fixing those bugs, and we will be ready at the end of this week to go live. We'll be doing a big promotion on the new platforms to encourage people to try them out. So there you go. Don't buy any new accounts until the end of this week. That's basically what they're saying. I will be back on there at the end of this week. They may make me keep this one because I'm trading on it, but I did not trade on the other two. I'm gonna ask if I can switch those over. Don't do what I did. But we'll see. Now, if Apex has 90% off here soon, I would I'm gonna go back. I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting for Apex to have 90% off again. Actually, is Bulenox even 83%? Because I know that one added or ended yesterday. Well, it looks like our first attempt at a trendline break here is gonna fail. This was my thought process. Had the obvious low as a stop. Was looking for the trendline to break and continue. As of right now, that did not happen. I wish it told me how much this would be a loss for. It probably can. I just don't know how. But it is looking like it's going to be a loss. And on top of that, I'm on the 1 minute, which I shouldn't be. I meant to change this to the 5 minute. But same difference. I guess maybe not. I might not have actually. All right, stop was filled there, so we're out of that trade. So now, technically, oops. Technically, I should have never been in that position because you're supposed to be on the... I was watching some other stuff and I was just like, I'll mess around with it. But you're supposed to wait for a 5 minute candle to close above or below the trend line I was still just figuring everything out. But so like here, if we wait for this 5-minute bar to close, and if it closes under here, we could look to get short and then use this trend line as a stop. Kind of thing. Kind of thing. I look like the gift cards. Yeah, just trying some stuff. All right, let me see. Affiliates for Bulenox. I don't think anyone, like, I don't think any of you are using them, but all right. So now it's the 83. Oh, it says the 83% ends today. So today is the last day. The 83% with Bulenox. Apex ends today as well. So we'll see what happens there. I think maybe the only thing I could have done differently there was put a stop at my break even. But as you can see, I completely botched that trade. I was just excited to try to get a trade in. We lost, how much did we lose on that? $660. Had to do the math there. Is there a way to see account summary? Oh yeah, there it is, 659.68. It's okay, it's okay. 14 hours? Yeah, but it's all still the 80%. I'm waiting to see what they do after the 80%. Oh yeah, I have kids to watch too. They're being good up in my son's. Wonder if I could use like the 3-minute for something like this. Get a little bit more action. Coming right back down. I don't even know. Yeah, bud.
Are you filming?
Yes.
Daddy, I thought you bought that thing for a reason. Why aren't you using it?
What thing? I am using it. That's, oh, you mean that's for when I'm just making videos, not streaming. Where are your glasses?
In my room.
This thing is not quitting. What's DX? Yeah, it's essentially just like Rhythmic. It's just a different way to sign in. Like I said, I'm going to be switching back to that once they get it. There's no way I could get used to this. All right, let's see. Is there a way to make this a market order? Market, there we go. Oh, look at that. It looks like it's below where my order is, but it was saying I was red on the trade. Interesting. Just gonna look for this to continue. We'll use the trend line. I'm gonna try to use these trend lines a little bit more, because seems to be what the market does the most of lately is trend. So let's put a stop in, which right now would be right here. Stop. I wish it would tell me how much that is. It probably does somewhere, but I am trading on TradingView at the moment because I blew my accounts that I had that were Rhythmic yesterday on this move. This move down here. I started scaling into it, and the, I think 1,000, 1,200 I had left on the accounts went pretty quickly. I even spaced out my ads and everything, and it just ran me. I actually stopped out. It was like somewhere actually right around where this red line is. It went a little bit further and then bounced. Unfortunate, but not much I can do about it. But it just made me realize that I need to get away from DCA. Even starting super small, the DCA just wasn't working. Have I changed my strategy for trading? For right now, I'm gonna try to see if we can try the whole low risk, high reward thing where I get in on actual trends or trend breaks instead of just looking for the quick scalps. I might, when I get back to Quantower, I might take one account and do the opening trade again, just so that we have the separation, and then like take the other accounts that I have and do this. What a crazy move down, or what? Jeez. Never mind. Went right back up. I will say it's a little bit, TradingView is a little bit laggy as far as like as far as the orders going through. Like it's not the constant up and down that you would see on Quantower. Alright, so our stop, actually our stop was probably a little low there at first. Not trying to be like super perfect, but well, right back up to the trend line here. We'll see if it holds or not. The idea is that if we can find these trends, which again, I'm supposed to be using a higher time frame. Jeez. All right. So now, in theory, if this were to start going up, no, this is why I'm so confused. Why is that a? Okay, there we go. This is why you don't use the 1 minute for this, because there's tons of fake outs. Where is it? There it is. Stop. Wait, what just happened? My stop was way down here. Why did it? What just happened? Oh, you know what just happened? I hit the loss limit on the account. God damn it. I think that's what happened. Let me see. I do not like this at all. Oh, and look, it's working. All right. Hold on, let me make sure first before I do anything. It is, yeah. It was 1200. Oh boy. All right. Well, at least we kind of started to figure this out. All right, we're gonna try this one more time. This kind of strategy is absolute trash when it comes to trying to figure out, or when you have choppy markets. When you have choppy markets, this strat sucks. But if you can catch like a trend reversal or an actual trend, then it could work quite well. The idea is that you can have a high risk to reward ratio. What's up, Wilhelm? All right, let me catch up on some of your chat. Tim, if you want, I'll gift you a TradingView account. Too much delay on the candle. Oh, no. It's fine. It's fine. I don't need it. I shouldn't need it anyway, because I shouldn't be using a 1 minute time frame for this. Rodrigo, what's going on? I do not have marbles running at the moment. I could get them to say. As of right now, it would just be for fun. Exclamation point marbles in the chat if you would like to participate. We will play at some point. It might just be for fun today, though. Because now, like, yeah, I had to use a different account here, but if we get the big push back up, and eventually if we get far enough away from my entry, I just move to break even. If we can get the big push up, then you get a big win. Much bigger than the few losses that you would take. Because had I not got stopped out because of drawdown there, I'd still be in the other trade. Excuse me. Because the idea is, like, if we catch one of them V's going the other way, that would be pretty sweet, right? All the way back up towards the highs. And we should have never been in that first trade. We had no business being in that first trade. We kind of messed that one up. Oh, jeez. Oh, man. It's a pretty big flush candle. I don't see this not going through the lows. Talk about a fake out. Maybe that's why people don't really trade the NQ this way. Because I've noticed a lot of people that trade with trend lines, they don't really trade the NQ. They trade like all the other futures. Oh crap. I better hurry up and put this in. Of course it was like right after it. Sell, stop, 2. So. I'm not I'm not quick enough with these orders just yet, which I don't plan to be. Man. Let's see what they're yelling about. I was trying to help. Oh, stopped out. All right. Like, am I supposed to hold that until that trend line breaks to the downside? Like, no, I can't. Crazy. Look at this move. Is there a quicker way to trade? Yeah, I just don't like how this is moving. Like it's not, you can't read the price action at all. And I think we're going to hit the daily loss limit on this one too if it continues. I was just looking for the retest up here. How do I select any field? Okay. Like, see how it just shoots both ways? Like, there's no reading price action on this. It's literally impossible. TradingView is more of just a He's not using TradingView. He's using Quantower. Red, blue. Yeah, I see that now. Yeah. Is that really where my average is? That's kind of crazy. For some reason, I thought it might have been lower than that. Unreal. I hate that it doesn't show exactly where your orders are either. So, I can put the stop in, which is probably what's going to happen. Stop. 2. All right. This is where we're at on this trade. Just looking for the retest up here. We got our orders in to take profit. We also got our order in to stop out if we come back down through the lows. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here, man. Yep, don't forget the like button. Oh, jeez. Yeah, like you can see the price moving, but the candle doesn't move with it. Like you can see the price inside the P&L. So it does appear that we're going to try to move up here a little bit. Now, can we actually get the push to the retest, which is here? That's the retest we're looking for. Even kind of trying to front run it a little bit. Unfortunately, it just keeps faking out. So, it's looking like we cannot get anything right today. Everything, all we had to do is just hit short way up here somewhere. If it doesn't hold, yeah, I would agree. I think we go much lower because we've attempted. Oh, yep, there we go. And we stopped out. Wait. Oh no, did it? Do not do that to me. That would be brutal. Oh, that's going to be so brutal. If this ends up working out, I just hit the loss limit on my account of 1,200 bucks right there. And my stop was at below the lows. My stop was below the lows, but my account stop, the daily loss limit, was right there. If this ends up going higher, I am going to cry. I'm not going to cry, but I'm just internally crying. You can't make this shit up, man. Just go lower, please. Just go lower to make me feel better. Yeah, I do not like... I'm not going to trade anymore on these. I'm just going to wait for the DX feed stuff. Because I don't like how you have to trade. You can't read the price action. There's nothing going on here. This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. No, I'm just out for the day. It's like you lose half the account essentially. But they do that so you can't lose the whole account. My order was above 19,000. Oh my god, guys. Guys. It literally... Look, I mean, I'll show you. That stopped me out there because of the $1,200 loss limit. And now it would have worked. Literally, my stop was right below the lows. Oh man, what a joke. What a joke. All right, you know what? I'm on tilt. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. We're going back to the highs now. I can't believe that. I really can't. And you know now it's going to come back to the lows. You already know that this will now come back down to the lows. After it went up just to say it would have worked, you loser. Imagine your account loss is that close from where your actual stop was. Imagine. Imagine. I don't even know how to do this. I don't even think I could make it back to the lows now with 2 contracts, but we'll put it in. Stop's way too far away. We're essentially counting on it coming back up into this range, staying above 19,000. Yeah, I'm not really expecting to go back to the highs. That was more of a joke. Oh, might be an early day for me. Is the GIF not popping up? The GIF should be popping up. I literally didn't even close it from yesterday. Oh, it did disconnect because I closed OBS. It'll work now. Yeah, I didn't see that, Zishan. Sorry. Thank you for telling me though. It'll work now. OBS was disconnected. I do remember
you gotta give him that
saying it.
and spit on that thing.
I was in the middle of doing all the other stuff. There we go. The worst part is I just got long and we still haven't even broke that trend line to the downside. So I don't really know what I'm doing, to be honest. This thing just looks like it's bouncy balling. Maybe we get lucky and it breaks it and it goes. But if we hit the loss limit on this account, I'm obviously done for the day. That's all I got. And then we just hope for 90% off tomorrow on Apex and we can trade on there. And if not, then I'm just going to wait until the DX feed comes out on my funded futures. Maybe I'll just take the next 2 days off or something. I don't know. We'll see. At this point, I'm willing to just let this ride and see if we can't just pass this on one good trade. Because why not? Because why not? No days off? No, like I'll be here. I just meant like I might not be trading because if there's no accounts for me to trade. I don't want to blow these accounts. I want to try to save them. I did pay for them, so it'd be a lot of money to just throw away. Alright, starting to go a little bit. So we can continue. Technically, we kind of broke that trend line now, too. I use my own code. You have a code, Froggo? Camden, if you're gonna cry, you're just not gonna play that game. Instead of being so negative about it, just try to figure it out. And I'm gonna take the whole tablet away if you keep this up. Alright, time for a break from the tablet. Then stop crying. Take a deep breath. It's just a game. Stop crying. God, you'd think his life is about to end with the way that he's crying about playing Roblox. The heck? Of course, I walk away for a second and it dumps. Is that a dentist thing? Is that a dentist thing? I figured you were both leaving together. And usually what it is.
Oh, September 4th, he goes back. It's
Nice.
not finals, but it's for the
Right. Yeah, but still, he'll be able to use those to like chew and stuff, though, right?
Yeah, she wants him to have them in for like a month before the final, just to make sure that they fit right and feel right. Because the bottom teeth were too forward, so she's gonna have to have it like set back a little more. But the top teeth were fine. She just shaved them down because it's like not a whack, but she said they digitally printed them, and then they have like the holes where the screws are, and then she just screws them, basically screws them. They hurt them.
Camden, this is your last warning. If I hear you whining about that game one more time, I'm taking your tablet. Stop whining. It's not impossible. Raven already got past that part. No, it's not. It's not impossible. You just have to figure it out.
Kick me while I'm down, please. Do we actually break this level and go higher? Find out. I guess I could move my stop now. We did make a higher low here. It's like, I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Ready for the ultimate FU? Oh, I can't even do it. I think I only have 3, right? Oh, well, it's probably good that I didn't. It went down immediately after. Oh. I don't even know how to do this that fast. I kind of bounced off of it. 974, so that's where I want it. Trade stop. 3974 is where it was. Stop. All right. Oh, it's never mind. It's gonna stop. Oh, well, it did anyway. Okay, whatever. All right. Let's play some marbles, and I'm just gonna get out of here because this is ridiculous. I mean, I can't trade anymore anyway. I mean, that's just crazy. I guess I should have just hit short at some point this morning and just let it go. I'm not going to trade anymore on TradingView. I feel like I was just trading just the trade to try to figure it out. And then I went on tilt. It's not your fault. Let's see if it added you. All right. This is obviously just for fun. See if we can find some new favorites maps. Why is this weird? What the? What is that? Just a heart like randomly going up and down? Okay. All right, let's get it. Let's see why this one is the most played this season so far. Whoa, little jump action. What the? Apparently a couple of us got shot off, including myself. Lava. It's all about the lava. Ooh, could you imagine this fleshlight? Oh, geez, look at this. It's like a row of pegged fleshlights. Siapa making their way through. Look at that, not hitting a single peg. Oh, kind of tapped the one, but didn't get. Oh, there it is. Muffy the cat coming to take advantage. What the? What? Oh, you're on the outside. Muffy's on the inside. Now he's on the outside. What is going on here? This is crazy. I think it doesn't matter which side you're on. Muffy first one out. Oh, but Siapa back in the lead. A bunch of swindles here. Look at Zishan coming out in front. Oh, catch-up factor. Oh, do you get smashed? Ryu. Oh, you do get smashed, but I guess you're under it. Ryu with taking advantage of the catch-up factor. Oh, there's more catch-up factor. Oh, you're going backwards. I didn't even know you could go backwards. Holy crap. I guess if it wraps you in there. Oh, okay. I'm loving the catch-up factor on this map. I can see why it's a favorite. Siapa and Ryu, though, seem to be the ones that end up in front every time. And granted, we don't have that many people playing. Oh, he went under. I guess it was lifting. What the heck? Oh, okay, it's a bunch of these. Let's go. I love these. What is that down there? You guys see that? It's like Plinko. Oh, Ryu's stuck in the middle. Oh, actually got shoved through there. That was good. Wow, played that perfectly. Ryu, you might win. First time you win, it's gonna be for nothing. Oh, maybe not. Oh, okay. Got shoved back this way. Okay. Into the tumbler. Straight through. Look at that. That was beautiful. Okay, fall off into the Plinko. Straight down. Is there any more catch-up factor? Does not appear to be so. Are these yeets? Oh, I thought that might be a yeet. Oh, that's kind of annoying. There was no catch-up factor after the tumbler. I feel like you needed some kind of catch-up factor after that. Rayu with a commanding win. No one's even close. Zishan second place. And look, this is the fire is going to definitely catch up, I would think. Well, there's nothing stopping everybody once you get down into the Plinko. So basically, once you get through the tumbler up there, if you make it down first, you win. There was a lot of catch-up factor throughout the map, though, just not at the end. So I don't even know if I like it enough, though, because if you get out to a lead towards the end, like there's nothing. I'll keep that one in the back of my mind. Let's try a different one. Oh no, I didn't mean to hit play again. Yeah, drama at the end is definitely better. I'm not gonna favorite that one. Where? Oh, I guess I didn't hit the bots. I guess I can make sure no one else joined while we were playing too. I wasn't paying attention to the chat. Let's see, plays, yes, bots, clear, open. Oh, gotta add mine again. All right. 3, 2, 1, go. What the? You're in the belly of a bird. What the heck? Is that poop at the end? I'm so confused. I think that's what that literally was. You guys went into the belly of the bird and now you're going through its digestive system to create a poop. Is that what you guys are getting from this? Because that's exactly what I'm getting from this. Oh, there's a Plinko inside here. Look at that. Right into the yeets. Can you get yeeted there? I don't know. These are kind of catch-up factor, but not really. Oh, I guess you can get yeeted. Will got yeeted. Later, Will. Right into some poop. Got a race here. Rodrigo and Market for all go. Oh, I thought you were gonna bounce. I guess you don't want to be on the outsides there because you could fall off maybe. Oh, yeet. He's gonna get yeeted. Yeet, 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 yeet. Nope. No yeets. Oh, got some. No catch-up factor really yet. Not anything large of substance. Everything is just more of a fall into place kind of thing. Oh, almost went over the edge. Okay, Froggo got in first. Oh, it goes right into another one. Could you possibly miss that? I don't know. You guys see what the market's doing, right? What's going on here? Okay, fall down onto a track. Is there only one track? It looks like it. Goes down. It's like a roller coaster. Okay, into the box. Still trying to figure out why this one's played so much. There's been zero catch-up factor. Down onto whatever this is. Little bouncy pads. Like hops from one to the other. Like you're a little kid trying to avoid the lines. And that's it. I'm confused. Okay. We will not be playing that one again. Explosive diarrhea, I guess, is the name of the game. It's even a toilet. That's exactly what was happening. There's no catch-up factor. Zero. None. Froggo, you won. I don't give you any credit for winning that one. That was a crap race. We'll play one more. Simple Rainbow Way. Simple Rainbow Way it is. Message me on Discord for your prize. I have a special one for you. I mean, that's what it looked like, explosive diarrhea. Those totally could have been yeets, but they're just bumps. Sunglasses are like hurting my ear. All right, so it looks like we're gonna, no, what is this? Oh, okay, I see it now. Okay, a little catch-up factor here. Not really, though. Alright, gaining some speed. And through a teleporter we go. On to the second part of the track. Looks like you're going to fall directly into there. I'm assuming everybody will. Alright, so some catch-up factor. It's almost like you just restart the race here. Cub 21 out in the lead now. This one's gay. Are you saying that because of rainbow? Are you saying that because of the rainbows? CSGO? I mean, I don't know if I should because of the kids. Damn, Jason, you're behind. You're still watching the toilet? Froggo again. Out in the lead. Look at Froggo go. As if there's no catch-up factor, he's a winner. If there's no, I mean, I see a couple pegs, but that's about it. I don't see anything else. He said this one's gay. Silly rainbows. No, he's just gonna go around them. Froggo back to back. And there's nothing, I don't see anything else to stop him. There's nothing. It's literally just, oh, 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 oh. Nope, he chose the right way. Oh, you know, Joss, the boxes that, guys, that you can lead a horse to water. That was an interesting little end, but still not great. Still not great. All right. You guys see you guys see what it did, right? So it's all the way back up. It's all the way back up. All right, you know what? Let me see. I don't think, maybe I'll play a wingman. I don't even remember. There, I do have it. I can't play a long game because of the kids. Ah, I keep clicking out. Oh, my package is there too. Sweet. Jason. No more marbles today, Hugh. We're gonna play a game of Counter-Strike Wingman, and then I'll probably get out of here. I'll probably get owned. There's some people that play Wingman that are just crazy at it. They take it way too serious. Play Diablo 4 new season. I can carry. You play Diablo? Diablo 2 Resurrected is where it's at. I played Diablo 2 pretty much my entire childhood. I get people that want to be my friend all the time because there's so many scammers in this game. It's ridiculous. Yeah. Brago just won back-to-back today, so pretty sure no one was beating him. You see the wait times for these? 7:22, 9:50, 11 minutes, 10:58, 10:05, 10:02. That's nuts. Maybe we look at options while we do that. Maybe we tilt some options. Yeah. Do people still cheat and use aimbots? And oh, 1000%. People cheat. It's like one of the biggest problems with FPS games at the moment. Is just the amount of cheating. How come you guys can't see? Oh, because I'm on a different answer. There you go. Not gonna lie, the way the market's been going, I'm kind of thinking about just getting rid of everything. Just going cash at the moment. How's David doing? Well, Alpine's live today.
Very nice job.
Oh, he's got a bunch of new PA accounts. Oh, I see he's hiding the which one it is now. That's funny.
I don't know who.
The cheating is only on CS though, because of their weak anti-cheat? No, it's on everything, man. Tarkov, Call of Duty, Counter-Strike, Valorant. It's everywhere. Valorant, it's not as bad, but it's everywhere. They have special everything. It's kind of ridiculous. David, still no trades. Did GDT get into a trade? Let's see. Oh, he ended his stream, so probably not. Yeah, nothing. Nutty's live. I feel like I haven't seen him live for a little while. Oh, no trades there either. He's very moody lately. Who, Alpine? Well, it's because he's been losing. And he's probably spent a F ton on evals because it's 80% off. And he probably doesn't like spending money. He only likes accepting money. I think moving forward, I'm just going to try to join the trends. Like just scroll out, bigger time frame, and try to join. Go cash as in like just get rid of all my positions. I have no reason to get rid of like this FSN or FSR, the save positions, but like Oxy, JD, Hood, Charge Point, I have no reason to get rid of, and Carnival. I'm just assuming that we might actually be dipping quite a bit in the market at some point. So I really have no reason to kind of hold on to these positions. That's kind of what I'm getting at. Because everything seems to be just making lower highs at this point. Oh, Counter-Strike it is. Oh crap, I got it. Well, let me hit accept first.
Let's roll.
Which one was it? Vertigo? Thought it was going to be Inferno. Not going to get there. Oh, got him.
Get ready. This is a free fire zone.
Can't get rid of my hood. I probably won't touch him, to be honest. I'll probably end up just losing money on him. But
Nice. Go, go, go. Throwing smoke. Flashbang.
one coming up Ivy. Side all. Oh, nice try, nice try. How much did you do to him?
68.
Ah, that sucks. He like one tapped me coming up the sidewall.
We are good to go.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of this map, but it was in the queue.
Sounds like mid. Yeah, they're both mid, both mid. Coming elevator right now. Other one's site side. Damn, not sure. One tap me.
Time to earn our stories.
Something mid again. Actually, I just heard grates.
Oops.
Nice.
That anthem's great.
Yeah, I love that one. I've heard all the other ones, and I just keep coming back to that one.
Go. Smoke.
You'll hear mine one of these rounds.
Throwing flashbang. There you go.
I don't really like my anthem, but it's like a callback to Left 4 Dead. And I love Left 4 Dead.
Push, push.
Yeah, Left 4 Dead is good.
Laying down slowly.
Your grates. Ramp.
Deploying flashbang. Terrorists win. Let's go, people. Smoke. Deploying flashbang.
I legged one.
Fire.
Pretty sure they're both there.
I didn't hit him. He was going back down.
Counter-terrorists win. Oh, yeah.
But your marble fate is like the actual rainbow.
Yeah, I did. I found one that was like that. I actually overpaid for it a little bit, just because
Yeah, I
of that.
would too.
Throwing smoke. Flashbang.
Nice.
Counter-terrorists win. That's the way to do it. Kick your ass. Fire in the hole.
There's sound.
Can that only happen on the shadow daggers or what?
Throwing flashbang.
I'm not sure, to be honest. Sounds like mid.
Counter-terrorists win. Let's go. Move it, move it.
Nice. Just slow. I think he's left side right there. Thought I heard him. Maybe not. Yep. Catwalk.
Planting. Bomb has been planted.
Ooh, nice shot. Nice. Yeah, that's a good anthem too. I like that one.
Now is the time.
Like he's 30 feet in the air. How am I supposed to know that's a thing? I still killed him, but
Terrorists win. We
nice. No stick in his match.
One's mid. He's running their elevators right now.
I didn't hit him. He was to the left. Okay.
Same spot. I didn't think he'd be back there already. Thought I would have heard him.
move, my brothers.
See if we can get him peeking.
Dang.
Counter-terrorists win.
Oof. Let's save one so we can pull by here. I'll drop to you. He ran back. Super. Oh, he's boosted. Nice. I like how... Oh, no try. I was gonna say, I like how he has the AK and you have the M4.
Yeah, really.
Backwards. Alright, let's buy.
Well, that almost worked. I'm down to try again.
Yeah. That was with no gun, too. He's gonna be deep this time. He ran all the way. Oh, there's two. They're both back there. The other one ran to A, though. Careful, watch him back. He's got bomb. That guy is always looking in the right spot.
Yeah, and there's so many stupid camper spots on this map.
Yeah, there is. I still say we go mid.
I played this for like a week now, and I'm still getting surprised by people's new spots.
Yeah, I like never play wingman. I was expecting it. I just couldn't beat it. Alright, well, if he's gonna go mid, let's just rush A. We'll kill the guy with the AK and just hopefully both be alive for the op. Walk across grates, though. He dropped, I think. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Right there. Oh, that's the arm. No.
He had 11 health.
That's crazy. GG.
GG's.
What's up? I did pretty bad knives. I'm gonna wait until I can get back on Quantower. Let's see if we can play one more of those. JD 29. Like, how far out would I have to go? Wow, you can sell. Do they have earnings? They must have earnings. Yeah. I was gonna say, there's no way you could get that much for 29. That's today. Oh, wow. All right. Well, JD's either gonna be nice or not so nice to me today. And the way things have been going, I wouldn't doubt if it's not nice. Oh, look at that. Let's see. I'm actually curious. So if we would have waited for the 5-minute break here. Well, no, because technically I would have probably gotten in here because that closed above, and then we would have got absolutely slaughtered. Let's see what the 15-minute looks like. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I don't really know the best way to look at it. Like, I mean, that's just not it. It's just not a day trade if you're going to look at it that way, I guess. I think just trying to join the trend and just having as close of a stop as possible is really just the way to go. I mean, because any of these times where you got to bounce, I mean, if you just went short, you were good. Like, even if you got in on the break of any of these. Oh, I didn't show you guys the penis pool. So the guy did come out yesterday and he did say that there was some things that were wrong. FYI. So I was right in that aspect. There she is. In all her glory. So this section, you see the little wet spot? So there's a puddle. They're going to have to take out that whole section there. So like, see how they're in sections? That's like one big block section. They're going to have to take that out and redo it because that's the only way to get rid of that puddle. And then all the spots like around here, he went around and pretty much cut most of them. Let me, hold on, let me. So all these joints and stuff, like all three of these, he said they're going to go back and he's going to pull that 2 pieces of concrete out and they're going to redo those because he agreed. He was like, man, that looks like shit. I mean, he didn't say that outright, but as far as like where the things don't meet, like this one was pretty bad. Like you can see it's above. He was basically saying that these are just caps and you can pull them off and they can try to file it down and try to get it lower, etc. All these he just cut because like you can cut them. So he actually went around himself and cut them to kind of match the way it was supposed to be. And he was actually, you could tell that he was kind of annoyed with the people that did it because like they could have literally taken an extra 5 minutes to do that. So like on ones like these, like he just literally took his razor, like he had a pocket knife. He just took it out and just cut straight across to make it look better. And then this foam, he cut that piece off. So it's really hard to tell in this picture, but I did some research before he even showed up. And the idea is you wait a whole year with this stuff. And then there's a layer right on top. It's like a 1/2 inch that you actually peel off and you put caulk on top of it. It's like an expansion joint type caulk. So these are basically there to allow the shifting of the concrete back and forth, but then you put caulk on top of it to make it look better. But you unfortunately have to wait a year to do that. Some places say you only have to wait a month, but he was saying that we should wait a year. But yeah, so he pretty much, I mean, he essentially like wrote, so like this one, it's raised up just a little bit, but he was saying that like it's really hard to get these to match up perfectly. But I was telling him on this one, like it's not that it didn't even like sit as flush and that it was raised, but it also wasn't like back and forth correctly, right? So like it wasn't even like lined up correctly. And he was just like, well, you know, they are doing that freehand. And that's what he kept saying. He kept saying over and over. He's like, well, this is all freehand. And I'm like, well, get people that are better at freehanding because like that looks like crap. Like it doesn't meet up with the white. And on top of that, it's not flush. And I was like showing him like this piece. So this piece actually happens to be the piece that they're going to have to take out anyway. So hopefully this all gets fixed. But I don't know. It just really bothered me. But yeah, I mean, when you zoom out and you look at the overall picture, I mean, I can't really complain. I can't complain because in the end, it's gonna look nice once we get grass all around it again and stuff like that. And part of me wishes that they didn't have to tear this up now because now we have to wait for them to do that. And then, so I don't even know if they'll do the plaster until that's done. And I don't know, it's just a pain, but I'd rather be a stickler about it now because if I'm not, when the time comes, it's going to be, you know, we have to live with this forever. Like you can't just fix a part of it. It's either you dig it up and redo it or that's just the way it is. All right, one more game. And I'll probably get out of here. I didn't even realize it's already 11:15.
Let's roll.
I get lost playing Counter-Strike sometimes. Vertigo again? That sucks. It's kind of open to play a different map. I could have took it off of there, I guess, but...
Hello.
Hey, what's going on?
Nothing much. What about you?
Not too bad. We were up 7-3, I think, last game, and ended up losing, so that sucked.
Uh-huh.
On this map, too. It's kind of frustrating.
Yeah, it happened.
If you slow down for a sec, I can get heaven.
Oh, yeah.
Or he's just waiting there for me? Okay. The old private profile. Gotta love it.
Yep. Need such. You can go and face it, finder.
Let's go.
I just looked at his Steam profile.
Oh.
One's elevator.
Counter-terrorists win.
Fucking double headshot. Huh. Ugh. You wanna... Alright.
You're hopping?
Yeah, why not? I got a feeling that's the only way I'm gonna kill this other guy. I like how I just ran through his own molly. That's fun. No way, I did not miss that. Ugh. Later, Zishan.
These guys are unranked.
They're what?
They're unranked.
Is that a shadow? No, I don't think so.
You want the op?
Oh, sure.
We must win. Throw in a flashbang.
Shit.
We are winning.
You want to switch weapons? Let's see if I hit my shots. Because you seem to be hitting more than I do shots.
I'm throwing a flashbang. Grenade out. Counter-terrorists win.
Throwing a grenade.
Good try, good try. Didn't grab the op at least.
Yeah.
Let's go.
It's not my day no matter what I do.
He one-shotted me while I was at 40.
Yeah, we played marbles. Played 3 times actually. Shot.
You will cry like babies before you die. They're gonna wish they were never born. Move it, move it. Smoke. Grenade. Counter-terrorist win. Here you go. Let's go. Throwing smoke. Laying down smoke. Flashbang. Counter-terrorist win. Champion.
No, you didn't win.
Man,
Froggo
that's 5
won
kills
twice
with this
actually.
Tac 9. It's kind of sad.
Go, people.
What's up, Donovan McNabb?
Throwing smoke.
On site.
Flashbang.
Tramp.
Deploying flashbang.
Come here, Crouch.
Counter-terrorist win. There you go.
I like it when you talk to me like I'm dumb. Makes me feel good.
I'm sorry, I'm not trying to.
I was feeling funny.
Just telling you.
It was funny because you were saying it and I was already headed there. It was just it was actually kind of funny.
Throwing flashbang.
Flashing one more time.
Grenade out.
That's mid.
Watch for heaven.
Throwing smoke.
They couldn't have crossed yet. I'm watching the cross. I'm just worried about them coming sidewall on me. That's bomb.
Heaven.
Side hall, greats. I don't know what it means. I don't know why I said side hall. No, that's not you. I hit him twice, just not in the head.
Okay.
Be careful. Let's all make it home tonight.
Mid.
Ramp.
Fire.
One was bottom ramp. Could be up ramp right now. I'm walking down.
Nope.
I don't see him. I'm gonna just sit in this corner. Actually, I'm gonna come back to you. Bottom ramp's clear.
Heaven. Good shot.
Oh yeah.
Did you get back?
Oh shit.
Go, go, go.
Just in case. Come here. Come here.
Laying down throwing.
Step down real quick. Good shit.
GG.
And we give them a spanking.
Oh, and we got our little care package. See if we got anything good. Nope. When did I thought I sold this thing. Alrighty. I'm just gonna V all the way back up. Who was saying we wouldn't go back to the highs? It's funny. So just out of curiosity, moving forward, if I wanted to try to jump in on the trend, how do we do it? That's the real question. Do we do it on the 1 minute? Do we do it on the 2 minute? The 3 minute? Doesn't even look like a trend on the 3 minute. This literally looks like it wants to go back to the highs. It's crazy. Pretty obvious break here. I guess somewhere in here, but then you just, it's crazy because trading, it's like your stop losses are so far away. All right, I'm out of here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Appreciate y'all being here.